week, and now news from India. In Tamil Nadu, the Madras High Court has actually gone ahead and directed the Tamil Nadu government to permit the RSS, which is the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh route march on 6th of November. And this, of course, after the court had recently permitted it for 2nd October, but Tamil Nadu government had denied it, stating law and order concerns. Divya?
Right, Sneha, this is even though the Tamil Nadu police has rejected the permission for that RSS march to be conducted, followed by a public meeting across the state as far as 2nd of October is concerned, referring to the incidents of violence that followed the NIA raids in the premises of the Popular Front of India leaders and activists, resulting in the arrest of 11 suspects in the state, is what the police has gone on to say. So we have Sam Daniel joining us. Sam, the Madras High Court permits RSS route march to take place.
That's right. Earlier also the Madras High Court had permitted this route march to be held on the 2nd of October as asked by RSS. But there were protests in the state by a few political parties saying that the particular date they have chosen would not be appropriate because they claim that RSS is behind the assassination of Mahatma Gandhi, and to allow this on this day would not be proper. And another political party, the VCK, also had called for kind of a meet or a march on that day to celebrate Mahatma Gandhi. And the Tamil Nadu government had, in spite of the court order, had denied permission, saying that this could pave way for law and order concerns in the state, particularly in the aftermath of the recent arrest of PFI members across the state and also in Tamil Nadu, following which the state had witnessed throwing of or hurling of bottles filled with petrol or diesel on properties of RSS and BJP functionaries. Citing this, the state government had denied that, and the RSS had moved the court for a contempt plea against the state government, and the Madras High Court has now given the other date in November, asking the state government to permit this. Earlier also, the Madras High Court had given a list of conditions to be observed by the RSS in the course of the march, saying they should not mention any other religious names, they should not act in any way, carry any weapons that could actually provoke or instigate or disturb communal harmony in the state. And since other political parties also had taken it up, and this coming amid the developments post the arrest of PFI members, the government is, authorities say, was treading very cautiously, but now the court has made very clear that they ought to allow this, subject to the conditions they have listed recently.